Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with a new plane, y'all, out at the larger field that I like to fly at. And I'm out here with this little plane here. This is the Volantex P51d Miss Helen. Has it right there on the side. And so this is a 2S brushless warbird. 500 millimeter, I believe, is the wingspan. I got this plane bind and fly. I already had this transmitter from another Volantex plane. I think the F15 is what I had. The F16 it is that came with this, and it's the same exact transmitter for the both of them. So I will be flying it with this transmitter. This is the maiden flight. I have never flown this plane before. It did come with 2 batteries. They're all 2S. I know I have seen, well, oh, one thing, I made a mistake. I said Volantex. This is an Eachine branded plane, but it is made by Volantex though, so the Volantex transmitter works and all. Volantex has a version of this plane. The Miss Helen is the Eachine exclusive, although when I bought this off of AliExpress and it did say Volantex, but this is Eachine. It arrived with an Eachine label on the box. But Volantex does have a version of this plane here. It's called the Never Miss, and it has the yellow on the top and it has green on the wings and all. Invasion stripes on the bottom. This one has no invasion stripes on the bottom. That Never Miss came with a 3S and a 2S in some of the videos I've watched, but this only came with 2 2S packs. And so I am very interested in finding a 3S that will fit inside this plane. I have none that'll fit inside of it, so I will be flying it with 2S only. And it's on a V761 protocol, I believe it is. And so I can fly it with my Devo. I got my Devo out here too, but I want to fly it with this first. See how it flies stock, with the stock transmitter and all. Do all the flips and rolls and loops and stuff that it does with this transmitter. And then I want to try to get it flying with this Devo here, which is a multi-protocol transmitter that I have constructed, put together. But anyway, I want to fly it with that because I want to fly it in manual mode with the Devo, because I'm more confident than flying it in manual mode with this, or expert mode. So let's get this guy up in the air, y'all. I have the landing gear on it, thinking about removing the landing gear so I can get a good landing, a belly landing off. Or I'm thinking maybe I might try to take off over there in the dirt. I'm trying to think. I got somebody over there running around it. Let's see. Not sure that it will take off from over here, but I'm gonna try it because I do want to. Actually, I'm gonna take off with a toss, and then I'm going to try to land over there in the dirt. So let's see. Sheesh, the sun is that way. Let's just take off straight ahead. We got it in beginner mode. Sheesh, the sun is blinding that way. I'm giving it very little throttle. about 40% throttle right now. And we're in beginner mode. And this plane flies really slow. Very quiet too. Hopefully you guys can see it when I fly it that way. I gotta say it flies nice. Oh, it started stalling on me. I don't know what that was about. I think I was flying it too slow, and I was giving it too much rudder, I think. And sheesh, it started veering towards the trees up there. I'm glad it came down. Hopefully I didn't get any damage from that crash there. Sheesh, it looks like everything's intact. Doesn't look like I damaged it. But I don't see the prop. Alright y'all, so I'm back out here with the new prop on it. Got the spare on it. And I also got my Devo out here now. So I don't know what happened. I'm guessing that I probably gave it a little too much yaw and too little throttle in that turn over there. But we gonna find out if it was the signal or what. I had some fresh batteries in that transmitter though. So if it is the signal, it's not because of the batteries or anything. Right. Let's try to fire this up. Okay, so it has a throttle cut on here. Okay, so let's see, do we have, okay, we got auto leveling. I have a momentary switch set to auto leveling off for manual mode. So let's try to take off in manual. No, not manual. Let's try to take off in auto leveling. Sheesh. And I got a lot of pitch with this Devo, y'all. Check it out. A whole lot of pitch. I think that's what it is. It has a whole lot of pitch. So a whole lot of pitch with it. Check it out. This is full pitch. Oh, just to one side though. Wow. Oh, to both sides. Oh, and it just spiraled on me. Alright y'all, I done stalled this little plane 3 times. Broke all my props up. No more spare props, so I had to use one of these bi-blades from the 400 series. So hopefully it'll fly with this. And I'm back on the stock transmitter, y'all. So let's see. I took the wheels off too. Figured that'll help me with my slow flying. Help me not to stall. But I don't think I'm gonna try to do any slow flying with it. This thing has a whole lot of pitch, y'all, on the aileron. So I don't think I'm a I might not need to fly it in the mid mode. We're gonna try beginner mode again. Oh, I gotta go in mid mode because it's trying to go down, y'all. Well, trying not to go down. It's staying in the air. I'm flying it down now. I don't know if I caught a thermal or something or what, but it wanted to stay pitching upwards. Kind of doing it a little now. Needed a little more elevator authority in order to fight this wind that's pushing me upwards. It's pretty fast, y'all. Just did a roll in all of this wind. Whoa, it went upside down. Starting to scare myself a little now. Sheesh. I can't see which way I'm facing now, y'all. I figured it out just in time. It's very windy. I cut throttle now. I'm just trying to glide it. Okay, back on the throttle. See if I could bring it back over here. I think I'm just going to end the video now while I'm ahead before something bad happens to it. But I think I just didn't have it leveled when I started it up. So I'll try that the next time. Hopefully I'll have some of the stock props again. This one didn't do too bad though. But that's my maiden flights of this Miss Helen from Eachine. 500mm Warbird. Thanks for watching.